In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on top of an image in WordPress. Whether you're enhancing a blog post or designing a stunning landing page, adding text to images can be a fantastic way to make your content more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive in. Start by ensuring you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look to the left-hand menu and click on the option labeled Pages. This will take you to a list of all the pages on your website. Choose which page you'd like to edit by clicking on its title. If you want to showcase your text on a new page, simply click the Add New button at the top of this section. Now that you're on the editing screen of the page you wish to work on, it's time to add an image. Look out for the plus icon, which signifies where you can add a new block. Clicking on this icon presents you with a variety of options. Select Image, since we want to start by positioning our image. Choose Upload if you have a new image on your computer, or go with Media Library if you want to use an image you've previously uploaded. Take a moment to ensure the image is an ideal choice for supporting or enhancing your text. Larger, higher resolution images are often best for grabbing attention. Once your image is in place, it's time to overlay text on top of it. To achieve this, hover near the top left of your image, where you'll see another plus icon. Click it, and this time, choose Cover from the available options. This block not only supports images but also allows for text layering. After selecting the cover block, you'll need to upload the same image or select it from the media library once more. This might seem repetitive, but it's crucial because the cover block functions differently than an ordinary image block. When the image is set, you should notice a text placeholder appearing over your chosen image. Click into this placeholder to start typing. Here, you can emphasize a key message or simply define the image's context. To fine-tune the appearance of your text, glance to the block settings available on the right side of your screen. Adjust the text size, choose your preferred font, and explore color options to ensure the text stands out against the image. Consider the balance between contrast and readability. White or light-colored text often stands out against darker images and vice versa. Preview your changes by clicking the Preview button at the top of the page. This allows you to see exactly how everything will look once published. If you're satisfied, go ahead and hit Publish or Update to save your hard work. Congratulations! You've successfully added text to an image in WordPress. By personalizing your images with text overlays, you are creating a more interactive experience for your website visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.